Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when BlueStacks crashing on PC. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first thing, you want to open up your task manager, and on task manager you want to go on performance. Now once you are here on performance, you want to find virtualization and you want to make sure that is enabled. Most of the time it will be enabled, but if it's not, then you will need to enable it on your BIOS. But if it's enabled, then you can just close it. Now, while we are still on Task Manager, you also want to go ahead and close any applications which may interfere with BlueStacks. So maybe some big programs which uses a lot of CPU. You want to go ahead and close them. Now, another thing you want to go ahead and do is change settings on BlueStacks. So open up BlueStacks and go to settings right there. Now you will be redirected to this page where you need to choose. So on performance option, CPU allocation should be high, 4 cores. On memory allocation, it should be 4 GB, and performance mode, it really depends on your PC. I leave it on high performance. After you will change the settings, you want to restart BlueStacks. It will restart basically automatically. Now you also want to change graphic settings. So on graphic engine mode, it should be on performance, graphics renderer, OpenGL, and GPU in use. As you can see, it's NVIDIA and it should be preferred dedicated. So just leave it on this one. SDC should be on hardware decoding if it's available for you, because it's not available for me. And after that, just save the change. Now after this, BlueStacks should work properly. If not, you also want to go ahead and update your drivers. So for me, my drivers, graphic drivers, are on NVIDIA. If you're using AMD or Intel, you can also do that too, like just the same. So for me, on my NVIDIA app, the drivers are right there, and if there are any updates available, they will be here and you can download them here. Another thing you can try out is go ahead and open up your virus and threat protection and basically turn off virus and threat protection for BlueStacks. So you're going to manage settings here, scroll down until you see exclusions, and it will not scan the items that have been excluded. So add or remove. Click yes, and then add an exclusion. You can go ahead and choose a file or folder. And here it is, it's now added and it will be excluded, and that should fix your problem. Now, if that will not fix your problem, you want to go ahead and uninstall BlueStacks and reinstall it. So go ahead, find BlueStacks, and go ahead and uninstall it and reinstall it again. That will definitely fix the crashing. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.